We're on our way to Virginia City, a ghost town here in southwestern Montana. And we're here with my parents. I'm sure Mom wants to say hi.
Hi.
And my dad.
Oh.
Say hi, Dad.
Where's the rest of your body, you drone?
The valley above Ennis. Do you know the name of this valley?
This is Ennis.
The town. But
Yeah,
is it an Ennis Valley or is it a...
No, it's Madison. It's the Madison Valley. Madison
Oh, okay.
River.
And we drove up that curvy road right there. Here we are at the car. It's gonna smell like coffee and soda. Or pop.
Or whatever.
They're having fun here in Virginia City. Yeah.
You might want it on.
Okay, I'll put my hat on. Mama says put the hat on.
Yeah.
Mind the fort.
Okay. It's you, baby. That's a lovely hat. I hope you wear that to school.
You think I won't? Yeah. We ate dinner last night at a place called Sugar High. Ooh,
Did you have ice cream?
Yeah. I had a vanilla shake and your dad had a huckleberry one. He doesn't bother him. I would be dying. He grew up in Wapato, Washington.
Yes.
Yeah. We know how that goes.
Hey, Dad. Got it. Okay. No problem. Virginia City. Lots of bikes. Okay, well, we stopped here in Nevada City, which is, yes, a touristy place, but they have cool buildings, lots of cool stuff to do, and we picked up cinnamon rolls, which we're not going to eat till later, but this is what it looks like here. So here we are out in the middle of the countryside, out in the middle of nowhere in Montana, and there's this Catholic church, tiny thing. Looks like you got about 20 people that would fit. All right, just a little stop. Hope you enjoy it. Dad, what do you know about this Catholic church?
Well, I was on this road when they were first putting it through. There's enough families here to keep this as an active church.
How many people do you think?
Oh, I don't know. It might be 30.
Oh, okay. It's pretty small. I've never seen a church that small.
Yeah. So
That's cool.
I thought it'd be a highlight on this.
Yeah, it's
on this trip.
Valley, and we have just crested the rise and stopped at a scenic overlook to take in this Flathead Lake. Gorgeous lake I was born at the tip of, this tip that we're at. It's super cool here. We're here with my brother Kyle. Yeah, I kind of want to go down here and see what these signs say. Hey, what do you think of this place?
I think it's super pretty.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
We just read these.
Oh, it was the same?
Yeah.
Up there? Oh, okay. Anyways, gorgeous views.